Audi only produced 5 of these in right-hand drive. This is already special, but we're going to make it insane. So this being one of 5 right-hand drive cars, this is the Audi Performance Parts Edition cars. Yeah, looks pretty mean, doesn't it? We've retrofitted a lot of this carbon actually to some cars which are not the genuine Performance Parts Edition from factory, but this is one of those 5. So it's already a very special car. It's a bit of an enigma, this one, bit of a unicorn in a way. I believe there's actually one of those 5 already been written off, so there might actually be only one of 4. This, however, sounds good, but all R8s can sound better. So if you follow me over to the bench here, you'll see exactly what we're doing on this one today. And it is a Quicksilver Titan exhaust. And these are one of the sort of crowd favourites, if you like. Certainly one of our favourites, at least. They sound unbelievable with these installed. We had this same exhaust system fitted to our own development R8 many years ago. Very well, the same model as that, just not the Performance Edition. And yeah, pretty much with the valves open, this thing will sound like a race car. I'm always a fan of Quicksilver exhaust when it comes to R8s. They just sound amazing. So this is their Titan system, which means this center section is actually titanium. Then you've got the rest of the pipework, which is in stainless steel. So you do get a little bit of titanium on your car. And as you can tell, it doesn't really weigh a great deal. So I'm not that strong. So it's going to be a nice bit of kit. It's going to save a good amount of weight and it's going to sound amazing. So enough of me talking. Let's get this one fitted up and you'll hear some revs before and after right at the end of this video. See you in a minute. The exhaust is now on and Sam's done a great job of putting this one together. It sounds absolutely phenomenal. I'm not really surprised since we had one of these cars, or at least a version of the R8, which had a Quicksilver exhaust on and was absolutely sublime in the way it sounded. It's race car loud, but when you press the button you can shut it up, which is a nice feature. So although it took more than just a few minutes, it's now complete and Sam behind's just doing a quick wheel alignment before it goes out the door. Just a little complimentary service that we offer. Check your wheel alignment. If it needs adjusting, that's something we can sort out. So enjoy the B-roll of this car and also the rev off and drive away videos. So we've got some nice clips of this car in motion. Thanks for watching. If you get a chance to like and subscribe, it would be much appreciated. And we'll see you guys next time. All the best.